is a strange sound happening in Nigeria just a day to the election. It's 4 a.m. I don't know if you can hear the sound. Sounds like trumpets. It's dark, no light. It's increasing.